Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. I'm so proud to be here doing the Bodega Boys intro. And, I have a speech prepared because I'm always ready. I have a dream that one day Bodega Boys will be judged by the content of their jokes and not... Excuse me? Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. Give me the mic. Hey, hello. Good evening, everybody. This is Rudolph Giuliani. I don't know what this lady's saying. She's a Trump supporter. I'm also a Trump supporter, but I have racist teeth. Count them. I'll give you a second to count my racist teeth. I'm the hero of 9/11. I ran into Tower 4 while it was burning and collapsing, and saved everybody from life. I train the dogs that sniff out the bodies. You should all vote for Trump for president because I'm supporting him. Listen to me. What is that? What was that? What? You know who it is, nigga. It's Ben fucking Boston. When you hear that music, you know what time it is. Let me tell you something. I don't know what the fuck you niggas was talking about. Me running for president. What type of foolish, egregious nonsense is that? I would never run for public office. I'm extremely busy repairing the sternums of infants in third world countries using tools that you don't even know how to pronounce. Okay? So let me tell you something. Vote for Donald Trump because his skin is the same hue as a bird of paradise from Tunisia, which I have adopted and turned and gene spliced. You know nothing. You know nothing of me. You know nothing of me. I'm Dr. Yakub. I'm the New York Dr. Yakub. I'm Ben Boston. I'm too powerful for you. Do the drop!
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Oh my God!
Yo, Ben Boston turned into the He-Man.
Oh man, that was amazing. Episode 31. Bodega Boys in the building, live from 220 West 18th Street. It's your boy Young Chipotle, aka Pocket State Fat Like Cheerio, aka Kid Strapped Towards Sling Dick, aka Eli Lippy, aka Butcher's Gully, aka Slow But I Might Know You Bitch, aka Young Day Party, aka Young Hot Take, Jesus H. Fuego, Mr. Nando's Richarando, Mr. 1994, aka Milk Hale Going Off, aka Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka Your Problematic Bay. Let's go, baby.
Damn, this nigga got bars.
I got bars on deck.
Yo, it's your boy the Kid Mero, aka the Human Durag Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti.
Dab on him.
Don't get in my DMs, you might get embarrassed. You know what I'm saying? If you see me in Target, don't look at me sideways. Approach me like a wild bear.
Approach him like
you know
a
what I'm saying? Because look at the hair on my chest, nigga.
Survivor, man.
You know what I'm saying? Check the guest list twice because my name's definitely on it. You know what I'm saying? Ben Smack Biombo. Feel that ass Tyson.
Feel that.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Right now, spitting through the wire for you niggas, man. I got shattered vertebrae. I'm still in here.
He's still in here, yo. Shout out to blessings go up to Mero's back. Mero is in pain over here.
Damn.
He's on mad Zandy bars. He's not on Obamacare. He's on Bronx care. He's using pharmacies that wear JUCO jeans. They have do-rags. All right. All his prescriptions are not in his name. They're in the names of old Jewish women. But you know what? We're out here prospering.
Self-medicating.
He caught in here. He's hobbling. He's walking slow like a tourist on Times Square. But
that's crazy. That's not realize how annoying that is. When I gotta hobble down the street and then people are like, excuse me. I'm like, nah, nigga, I can't excuse you because I'm in excruciating pain.
And you know what the thing is? Because if people don't know you from TV and stuff, they're gonna think you're a dope fiend. Because you're an older Latino gentleman, and you're hobbling. Yeah. If I saw you, I'd be like, you fucking disgusting.
I took Oxy yesterday, son. Yo, don't take OxyContin, B. That shit is deadly poison.
Is it it's poison?
Yo, like white Jesus,
like white Jesus,
poison.
You know what I'm saying? Don't get addicted to painkillers.
Nah, don't.
Actually, no, do it. Because we could get a show. We could get a show on A&E.
Oh, that's right.
Like you'd be like dope sick, and I'll be holding you. I'll be like, yo, fight through it, Mero.
Yo,
fight through it. And
that's the shitty part.
Yeah,
that's the shitty part. They don't show you the romantic cool part in the beginning when the shit feels
real good.
Yo, I took that shit and I was like, man, it was like I was getting a blowjob from an angel, nigga, like,
wow,
in a jacuzzi,
just sloppy toppy.
Like, yo, I was just like, yo, this is so crazy, this is amazing. Now
if you were getting, but you know what? If you think about it, if you were getting a blowjob from an angel, it would be painful because the halo would be hitting you in your chest.
Oh yeah, I can feel your halo.
Unless they put it around your balls. Can they make the halo bigger? So
halo? A cock ring? Is it halo cock ring?
Yeah. Wow, the problematic light already came on.
Wow, damn.
We are not. Whoa.
Damn,
All right,
out
whoa.
here.
We're out here, man. As always, we're live from Red Bull Studios.
That's
you know what I'm saying?
right.
Shout out all the sponsors. Shout out
You know what I'm saying?
K2.
All of
Shout out to not ISIS. Shout out to Heather's
You know what I'm
Choach.
saying? Out here.
Narcan, the Zika vaccine.
Zika vaccine.
They're doing big things. You know?
Are they really? Is Zika vaccine a real thing?
I don't think it is.
I don't even say my mouth is moving, but my muscles in my face.
Wow, you. Damn,
Yeah.
Mero's fucked
You know
up
what
over
I'm
here,
saying?
dog. We're gonna get through it, though. We're gonna give you episode 31
I might
out
fucking
here,
start pulling up for 50 tonight.
All right, slow down. Slow it down. You don't need all that. So, have you been watching the RNC? Yeah, clearly you have.
Yo,
Listen.
Yeah,
I keep watching
Melania.
it, waiting for like somebody to come through with like a folding chair and hit somebody. Because that
it's
shit
wild.
is clearly WrestleMania, right?
It is WrestleMania.
They're not even trying at this
They
point.
don't care.
Fuck it.
Look at the sponsors. Nigga, it's like Mountain Dew, Doritos, fucking Bass Pro Shops. You know what I'm saying?
Steph Curry 2s.
Racism. You know what I mean?
It's got. You know what? The RNC is like Essence Festival for racist white people.
It is.
It is.
It is.
It is. Like Donald Trump coming out tonight is gonna be like Frankie Beverly and Maze. They're gonna be dancing in the aisles,
Bruh.
racism and shit.
It's like the fucking what? I forgot what fucking concert it is, but it's all reggae artists and then Phil Collins.
Yeah, since we be having the Queens, we're big with that.
Yeah, that's shit. You
You
know
know,
what I'm
West
saying?
Indians, we love our contemporary
Shout out to Phil
R&B.
Collins. Donald Trump is Phil Collins.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, the
Fuck
speeches,
him,
they're
though.
stealing speeches.
Stealing speeches.
They're doing Nazi
Yo.
salutes. Did you see Laura Ingraham
She
did the
tried to
Nazi
finesse
salute?
it, and it'd be like, nah, hey.
I played Wolfenstein 3D.
No,
I know a
bitch.
Nazi salute when I
know
see it. All right, you're not low.
Very obvious. She tried to flip it and then like do the Macarena and
Yeah.
shit. I was like, nah, bitch. No, I
If she was
seen
smart,
that.
she would have came into a Millie walk. You know what I'm saying? Like, Millie block.
Really rocking the RNC. Niggas is lifting lives
If you
and
really
shit.
rock at the RNC, they're gonna shoot you.
They
One of the
are-
snipers
you
is
will
gonna
be
hit
shot.
you in your Domington like Harambe.
No, yo,
Just right off the rip.
No question.
Bow!
50 cal. Domicile.
And the crowd's gonna cheer like, yeah, build that wall.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yo, you ever see be at a party while fucked up and niggas all high, drunk and shit? You drinking Bacardi with like water?
Yeah.
Because there's no mixes and shit.
No
You
mixes at
just
all.
Straight dirtbag, smoking Newport buzz downs, and then niggas throwing the beat CD and stuff freestyling.
Yeah.
And you just jump in and spit some shit that's clearly like a Big L line.
Yeah.
That's exactly what your girl Melania did.
That's what
and
she
like,
did.
Try to front
'Cause
like.
if you're gonna steal, you gotta steal from the best.
Yeah.
So
You
you
know
know,
what I'm
she was
saying?
like,
She's
yo,
like, yo,
she
fuck
was- no, I think like she was like, I have to write a speech.
Yeah.
I have to write speech. And
Yeah.
she went on Google. She was like,
Hey.
good speech,
Good speech
first
saga.
wife, lady. And then she should have done. She said the thesaurus under
You know what I mean?
options in Microsoft Word.
That's it.
And you just changed it.
That's
Changed
it.
big to large and stuff. We didn't call it.
That's it.
But she's like, and the thing is like,
She would have changed big to huge and people would not know the shit. She
here's
was
my
like,
thing:
it's
if she's
Trump
that lazy
influence.
when it comes to writing a speech, she's got to be on that starfish shit.
Oh,
dog.
yeah.
She ain't.
Yeah, she's Pillow Princess.
Yeah, she not.
No, she's like, nah, I don't want
But then again, I don't feel like Donald Trump is
He's
bringing
not
the
bringing
heat.
the heat,
He got
nah.
that little
No.
nasty Vienna sausage
Yeah,
dick.
yeah.
You know
he
what
got
I
a
mean?
little great dick.
She's
He be looking at
nasty.
himself in the mirror like, damn. Remembering like his last good year, like,
Yeah.
damn, like, yo, 78.
Yeah, that's how slanging that cock.
78,
to
I was
Marla
smashing for
Maples.
like 40 minutes
Yeah.
straight.
He's probably dribbling at this point, just like rubbing against her. Mad friction.
Yeah, that's what niggas get wild watching. They start putting shit on their dick like cock rings and
Cock
extensions
rings.
and shit.
Get a Prince Albert
Come on,
piercing
nigga.
and shit.
Nigga dick looks like a transformer, nigga. Get out of here.
If your dick looks like the guy from X Clan with the fucking hoop nose through the nose, nah, man. You ain't about to beat up the dick.
No.
There was a porn guy that he had like metal bars inserted under the top of his
That's
dick. And it's just
wild.
like, yo,
You're doing a lot.
like, it's not. Are you not naturally
doing a
like
lot.
beating it up? Like, what,
Come on.
you putting train tracks in your dick, my
Come
nigga?
on,
Like,
man.
what are you, the Metro North? Come on,
Yo,
chill.
just go to Bodega, get a Rough Rider,
Get a,
nigga. We'll get a Rough Rider before you slide aside her.
oh man, yo,
Yeah.
shout out to Rough Riders for naming their crew after a condom.
After I got them.
No one in Mount. You know what? It's Mount Vernon.
Or Theodore Roosevelt's team of wingdings that used to hunt bears and shit.
Yeah, fuck them.
Yeah, get him out of here.
No one in Mount Vernon knows what condoms are, so
Not at
that's
all.
what happened. So, YO, right? Yonkers, excuse me.
Why y'all?
So I apologize for that inadvertent Mount Vernon slander. Shout out to everyone at Target, not really working.
Shout out to Mount Vernon. Shout out to Yonkers though. Shout out to that Smack DVD where Jadakiss was in Yonkers and he was like really in Yonkers. And he drove by in a car and he told some dude on the corner in front of a bodega. He's like, yo, go get the burner. And homie went inside, came out with the gun, was like, pow, 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 shot the shit. But he had the wild cowboy gun. Nigga, this was like 6 feet long.
The Red Dead Redemption joint.
Yo, for real. I was like, nigga, why you got the
Got
Will
to
Smith?
mention guns from Red Dead Redemption. Yo, your boo Taylor Swift got exposed.
Yeah, get her. Yo, she's
Shout out to Kim K. Kim K came through with that.
With
you
the
know,
wild Spanish
listen,
bitch
facts
flow.
don't matter, but Kim K. Kim K got some Spanish in her.
Yo,
because that was very DK vindictive.
Yo, she stole that straight from Yesenia's playbook. Nigga.
Wow, she came out, put it on. She
was
put it
like,
on the Snapchat.
I seen you was talking crazy, bitch. Oh, how about this? ¿Cómo te queda el ojo, puta? Huh? How you feel, huh? You stupid bitch.
Snake emoji, snake emoji,
You
snake
little
emoji.
bitch. Yeah,
Wow.
mad emojis.
And Taylor Swift was out there like, oh, I feel victimized. I feel targeted, triggered. Oh, my God, white woman in distress.
She's still gonna win. She's still gonna win. She's
Taylor Swift is good.
Queen.
She's Illuminati. If anybody's Illuminati, Taylor Swift is Illuminati.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I know she was gonna win forever because Frozen merchandise is still selling.
Yeah,
and it's the star of it is a wild, pale, blonde woman.
A pale blonde woman has never not been winning.
Yeah.
Remember when Taylor Swift had Apple Music under pressure with her open letter she wrote?
Yeah, I know, pal.
All right, guys.
I was so concerned about people getting paid for music.
The musicians' rights too. Yeah. Now, white women are having a bad week. Melania Trump got caught stealing flows.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Taylor Swift got exposed.
Wow.
Your girl Anna Votar.
Wow.
The chick that complained about the noise on Dyckman Street.
How could you ever do that?
Like, she moved to Dyckman.
Do you know where you
She moved to Dyckman 13 years ago.
What Yelp review did you read?
And she was like, it used to be quiet. Really?
Oh, word? No,
Really?
it didn't.
No.
It did not. Look, trust me.
Listen.
I was there.
The place Stomp, where there's like stomping on trash can lids,
Yeah.
that's based off of Dyckman.
Yeah.
All right,
Y'all
that's
wildin'.
just a normal day.
You're violent.
When you go out in the like regular hills and shit, you hear crickets.
Yeah.
That's what Nextel chirps used to be in Dyckman Avenue.
Look at
If you go to Dyckman and that shit is quiet, obviously like an EMP or some sort of nuclear bomb has gone off in Lower Manhattan. Something has gone terribly wrong.
Something has disrupted every Bluetooth speaker.
Dyckman is like one of the last neighborhoods in New York that is still it's gentrifying, but at least it's like
there's some white people there, but
there's some white people that's still like Dominicans and shit. And like, you got the hookah bars and
you
stuff.
can't kick Dominicans out anywhere.
You can't kick them
We're
out.
like a staph infection, nigga. We get in there.
Wow.
We're possibly fatal.
Wow.
You try to remove us, we come back. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? We just come through, hold it down. Yo, Watch the Heights, all that shit used to be a Jewish neighborhood, and we came through and was just like, yo, get y'all niggas, y'all bagels, go to Jersey.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take
Go
all of this.
Spite and Dival.
You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna hold it down over here.
Yeah,
that's it.
And you guys brought, you guys changed some rules. You made traffic rules optional.
That's right.
Apparently.
That's right.
Apparently, red lights mean caution.
There's left on red.
Right. Okay. There's no such thing as double parking. It's like DKIB back.
It's triple parking.
Okay. Just
triple parking is like, damn, I'm about to do something wild.
I seen a guy parallel park and just leave the car there on the middle of Dyckman, and he ran into Mofongo and got like beans and rice.
And sat on the hood of the shit and ate it. Yo, Dyckman, if you just moved to Dyckman and you talk about the shit being loud, you're bugging. I was at Dyckman in like 05 when niggas was doing Zion and Lennox fucking
when people was doing
house
acid
parties
underneath that by the train tracks and stuff, and that's where you used to dump stolen cars.
Come on, man.
Over there used to be a wild shithole, and then God blessed us and gave us the mecca of New York City summers, La Marina.
Shout out to La Marina.
It's a parking lot, but they just spread kitty litter all over the floor. And we stomping it.
Shout out to umbrellas. We used to be umbrellas.
Oh, wow, you took it back.
That's the wild fucking I saw Coke Lounge.
There's a hairdresser, there's a hair salon by La Marina over there by Dyckman where you smoke hookah while you're waiting for your hair done.
Shout out to Nail Lounge.
It's out there, man.
Shout out to Nail Lounge. Shout out to Mama Sushi, the wild, terrible like Dominican sushi fusion place where niggas got like platinum sushi. Shout out to y'all though. Fuck it.
People need starter kits. You can't listen. We've all dated like the wild hood chick who never been to nothing good.
Let me tell you
something. You can't just take her from fucking
McDonald's
from fucking
and
like TGI Fridays and just go to the Four Seasons.
No.
You gotta step it up gradually, and that's what that strip of Dyckman is. Like, yo, ma,
there it is.
Listen, buy a pair of heels. We're going here.
Yo,
you know what I'm saying?
Let me tell you something.
She's like, yo, what is prefix? What's prefix mean?
What's Prixie Fix? Is that like that's like the race?
Yo, what is that? Bagels?
Grand Prix? Yo, let me tell you something. City Island and that little strip on Dyckman. If you take Shorty there, if you take Yesenia there, she's gonna be like, yo, this is classy. She's gonna Instagram all the food, all of it.
Snapchat
take
it.
y'all Snapchat,
you know what I mean?
Slip sync into fucking.
And you ruined her because she can't go back to the hood after that.
Oh yeah, no.
Can't send her back to the hood.
$30 of hookah minimum every time you take her out now. You know what I'm saying? You fucked her up for the hood. Now she got to date Joe Budden or somebody or Drake if she's lucky.
Speaking of Drake,
you know what I'm saying?
Your man Drake bought abs, dog.
He out here.
He went to Dr. Miami.
Yo,
allegedly. According to Joe Budden.
Joe said that.
Joe Budden said, "Don't take issue with us."
No, I didn't say that shit at all.
Joe said it.
Joe Budden said that shit.
Joe Budden said it. Now, gotta hear both sides. I mean, because I'm cool with that.
Jay,
I'm cool with that.
I'm just do bad Joe Budden ad-libs while you talk about this. with nude.
Nah, if Drake bought abs, I mean, I'm cool because I was thinking
did
all
he
the
buy
time.
abs or did he get lipo? Because that's what they're saying. If you get ab implants, that's one thing. That's wild,
Right?
But if you just got lipo, nigga got lipo. Who cares?
All right, well, okay, I can see
It's
that.
Hollywood, nigga.
It's Hollywood, baby.
Yo, that nigga's
what had me tight was because in my head, I'm imagining Drake in the Canadian wilderness doing that Rocky montage, working out,
punching a tree man
I'm
hard.
like, damn, this nigga get that drive to do it.
Nigga, punching a tree man hard till Matt Syrup come out.
Yeah,
you see Matt
like,
Syrup with syrup and blood on his hands and
Nigga
shit.
beating a piece of meat, but politely, sorry, pardon.
Niggas eating mad poutine.
Oh.
Is it poutine or poutine?
Who cares? Facts on
Your
that.
family in Mississauga?
No, shout out my secret room in Mississauga. I was also it's mad hot in Mississauga right now. And I don't know if that's temperature wise and like crime wise, but crime in Mississauga is like bad, but it's not Bronx bad. That's the thing. Like people was like, yo, don't go there, it's dangerous.
I compare everything to the Bronx. Yeah.
Everything to the Bronx.
Everything is okay.
Yeah, you know. When we were in DC, remember the cab driver was like, "Yeah, don't go to the Southwest. Like, it's
I was
bad."
like, why?
He was like, "It's really bad down there." And we're like, "I'm from the Bronx." He was like, "Oh, you be all right."
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, what do you mean? This niggas down there smoking dust?
Dust City.
Is that it?
Shout out to Dust City. It was down there. Chilmo. Didn't bring my phone positives because it was raining when I left New York, but it was beautiful when I got to DC. You know, shout out to Tony Kornheiser and Pablo and Brad and Eric and Nick, everyone, Bang Bang ESPN gang. We was out there.
Yo,
fucking take their show.
Shout out to DC. Yo, it's funny. I seen some police scanner shit from DC the other day that was like blackmail and phone posits on the loose. I was like, so
that's half of DC.
That nigga's gonna arrest everybody in DC.
That's half of DC.
The other go-go show.
The other half are in the club in khakis and square toe shoes. Going to a day party.
Yeah. Oh man.
Shout out to all my chicks wearing wrap dresses and wearing the granny panties underneath.
You know what I'm saying? That's that's unsanctioned.
You gotta listen. God's working on all of us.
Yo, no drawers. Yo, rock no drawers.
Yeah.
Yo, we all adults.
It's summertime. Let the coochie breathe.
Yeah, we all adults.
Come on, grow up, ma. You already wearing the black leggings.
We all that's it. We all adults.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't care. I'm not looking at you like that.
You got
you're
the
not a
choke
piece of me.
smelling like shrimp ramen. Like,
You know
come
what I'm
on,
saying?
just
I don't
let it
care.
breathe, man.
I don't care.
Let it breathe.
That's right. We love you as a human being. You know what I'm saying? We're not objectifying you.
Never.
We just want you to be comfortable.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Let the choach,
And now we're drawers. Let the choach breathe.
Let the choach breathe.
You know what I'm saying? That's it.
Is that something we should
endorse?
start a charity for that?
Let the choach breathe.
Let the choach breathe.
Let the choach breathe.
We could do like the mad serious ads. Like,
Let the choach breathe movement. Yo, niggas is so influential on the low high key.
Right.
That like we might start on a drawers movement and then we just walk out the studio right now and there's mad shorties with no drawers.
if you bang with us and you believe in the Let the Choach Breathe movement, just send us a photo of your choach.
To him, not me. Don't get me in trouble.
Yes, to me.
Don't get me in
Fuck
trouble.
Mero. How many Mero gonna see it? I'll be like, oh shit, look at this shit.
For research, though.
For
You know what I'm
research.
saying? For research purposes.
You know what I'm saying? We stand in solidarity with our sisters. Say your name.
Say your name.
Oh shit.
Say the church.
Oh shit. Speaking of white women in trouble, Selena Gomez.
Oh, I thought Taylor Swift did something else again.
Well, Selena Gomez she came
Does
through
Selena
trying
Gomez
to protect.
identify as white? Does she?
Well, her last name is Gomez,
It's
but
like, you're not allowed to identify. I mean,
I think she's
don't
white.
know. Yeah?
No.
She looks wild Mexican to me.
Yeah, she's probably Mexican, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's like California Mexican. California Mexican is like is a different thing, B.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my Mexicans in California.
Oh, I thought you were gonna explain how they're different.
Yeah,
but
no, I don't. I mean, it's not my place.
Is that your thing?
I mean, I could talk about it as a fellow Latino, but I don't know. It's weird. It's different. Yo, but shout out to East Coast and West Coast. Obviously, it's different because it's different places. But it's funny because a lot of people will just be like, when they're talking about Latinos, they'll be like, yo, Mexicans. Yo, it's like black niggas and white niggas and Asian niggas and Mexicans.
Speak, Professor
You know
Mero.
what I'm saying? But we're all very different. You know what I'm saying? Some of us are, you know what I'm saying, from islands. Some of us are not. You know what I mean? Some of us have,
shit.
you know what I'm saying?
Yo, Selena Gomez.
Indigenous
Selena Gomez.
ancestors.
People, like, she came out through trying to protect Taylor Swift, as
Why?
a good friend would, as a Mexican would protect a white person, as
Why?
they do. And
Nah, they're rich. They're not even anything anymore.
Right.
They're not even anything anymore. Kanye's not black. Selena Gomez is not Latina. These niggas ain't nothing. They're just rich.
that's true because
They're not because they don't fuck with nothing.
Pharrell just dropped the new MMDs.
Yeah, and they say human race. And I see mad people be like, yo, these are fired. These are fired. No.
Nah, those are the fucking All Lives Matter NMDs,
Yeah,
Pharrell.
like,
You're not low.
Come on, man. Like, yo,
The police
y'all
lives
wild.
matter shit. Nah,
Niggas
fuck
is
that
rich.
human race shit, man.
I don't even get mad at niggas because I'm like, yo, y'all are rich, B.
Your man
know,
A$AP Rocky, like,
niggas rich.
he's rich.
Niggas rich. I'm telling you, bro. Yo, y'all people be expecting too much for rich niggas. All rich niggas is worried about is how much it costs to dock the yacht.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
They don't got regular people problems.
No way.
You know what I mean?
Not at all.
And let's be honest, is A$AP Rocky, how big is the risk of A$AP Rocky getting shot by a cop?
Come on.
Maybe like
I mean, it might be. It depends.
Maybe.
Is there BT Awards happening?
Perhaps.
You know what I'm saying?
Like at the
Depends where it
Gucci
is.
store.
Yeah. Soul Train Awards.
Something.
I don't know.
I don't know. I can't wait to get to that level. Living in
Grammys.
Calabasas.
What?
My best friend is Tiger.
It's just entertainment, dog.
As I pull out my driveway, I wave at like fucking Kim Kardashian's mother and shit.
Yeah.
She's like, "Hey, Desus."
Wiz Khalifa's like, "Hey, dog, that shit that you were talking about on the podcast, talking about fuck Wiz Khalifa, dog, like the popcorn dude, dog. Yeah, shit was not lit, bruh.
That wasn't cool.
I'm smoking KK.
Sorry, Tiger. Is somebody playing?
That's what I told you.
Yeah. You can hear the exhibit music in the headphones.
See? I told you niggas. I know I was a bucket.
We're leaving this in. We're leaving this in. Like how I do it, baby.
Yeah, I don't care. That's
on
hot.
Saturday night.
It's popping.
You know what? I thought I was high. I was like, wow, what the fuck did I just smoke with Mero?
Yeah, see? I got that raw for niggas.
It felt like, it sounds like the ice board on Duck Hunt from NES. If you're old enough, you know what that's about.
I mean, I've only played that on an emulator because I'm a millennial.
I'm a millennial too. I'm a millennial.
They released the baby NES.
Yes.
Did we talk about that last week?
No, we did not. But it is shouts to you for
They're cashing in on fucking nostalgia, man.
as you said nostalgia was going to be
Big.
Yes.
Pokemon Go got these motherfuckers valued at like $9 billion plus money. I don't even know. Shout out to Josh Brown, yo. You know what I'm saying? Who's my financial guy who I ask financial questions. You know what I'm saying?
What's his name? Josh Brown?
Yeah, shout out to Brown.
I think you just committed some sort of FDIC violation.
Violation? Oh shit, yo, that nigga's giving me stock tips?
Yep.
Yo, you about to go down with Martha Stewart, Josh?
Damn, nigga.
Damn, Josh!
Damn. Nah, the NES Classic Edition, it comes with Super Mario Brothers, Metroid, Pac-Man, Donkey
Metroid was
Kong,
lit.
Legend of Zelda, Kirby's Adventure, Contra 2,
Kirby's
not
Adventure.
Contra 1, because they know Contra 1 was trash.
Trash.
Classic
Contra
trash.
2 is trash, and then Super Contra was trash to me.
Yeah.
Contra 2 is perfect.
Bubble Bobble,
Bobble's lit.
Ice Climber,
Ice Climber's
Kid
lit.
Icarus, Mega Man 2.
Shout out to all my niggas that use Ice Climbers in Super Smash Brothers.
Wait, Contra's actually not on this. I was told false information.
Wow, where'd you get this from? Snopes?
This is what happens when you get your information from a barbershop. So
We got the barbershop.com front page.
I went to beanpie.org. But no, the problem with this is 30 games, but it's not upgradable. Which is stupid. You should be able to, like,
that's dumb.
Nintendo, you shot yourself in the foot because you could create a whole marketplace where people could buy more games.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sure someone will hack it. Some guy who masturbates and still lives with his mother, he'll fix it and put a hard drive in there.
Shout out to the dude that hacked my old Xbox and put mad games on that shit. And so a lot of them shit was in Japanese.
Remember when I bought the Wii off of Craigslist?
Excuse me.
Off that kind of weird guy?
Yeah.
And he didn't want to shake my hand?
He didn't.
Fucking
That
weirdo.
was weird.
Though
That was a weird situation.
That was very weird. That's why if you buy shit off Craigslist, you gotta bring someone with you.
Yeah.
Because people will kill you.
Yeah.
They'll kill you. They'll cut your baby out of you even if you're not pregnant.
That's right.
So you have to be careful about shit like that.
That's right.
I had Mero there, so he came downstairs. He was like, "Oh shit, minorities."
Yeah,
and he was like, "All right,
yeah.
let's do a smooth transaction."
Yeah.
I remember I bought a PS3, the PS3 that's in the office now,
True.
off a lovely homosexual couple.
Shout out to them.
Who apparently were selling all their earthly possessions because they were going to travel the world because they were in love and they were going to have a Tumblr about it.
Oh my god.
And they invited me into their sanctuary and they was like, "Look around, whatever you want, you can have."
Were they perhaps Yakubian?
Of course they were. Bodega Boys in the building, episode 31. We back in this bitch.
You're the most jail nigga I know that's never been to jail because you're eating a tuna sandwich and drinking a beer right now.
That's right. That's the breakfast of champions. Okay. Think about it. My whole lifestyle, I don't even eat food. I consist on 90% beer. But which one of us has a fucked up back?
Yo, I mean, I have my car. Like, that's such a... Yo, shout out to everybody that knows about my injury history. Yo, I got hit by a car when I was 20. I got hit by a car. Like, not I was in a car accident and I crashed into another car. My human body was crossing the street and got bamboozled by a Ford Bronco who decided that yellow meant speed up instead of slow down. So the dude hit me.
So you, as a man, allowed a car to knock you out your place as a man?
I mean,
I'm from Harlem. We don't get down like that.
I mean, I'm from the Bronx, so I got up and I knocked that Bronco the fuck out. You know what I'm
now
saying?
look at you.
Knocked that nigga the fuck out.
Now you got 2 herniated discs?
Knocked his axle out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got 2 herniated discs. My knees were sprained.
Wash.
I had 2 broken toes. No, 1 broken toe. I'm sorry. I don't want to exaggerate my injuries.
You can't add a broken toe to like the
because
whole...
that shit don't really count because you can't do shit for a broken toe.
You can't do shit for a broken toe.
All you gotta do is like tape them together.
I broke my...
How you break a toe?
I broke my ex's toe at her family's house at Christmas.
How? Sway?
Yeah, God, it was a long story. Basically, I don't want to get into it. I felt terrible.
Speaking of crushed toes, Did you know that you get a wild discount on a real doll because they have a smushed toe?
Yes.
I saw
Mero sits in the office and he looks up real dolls all the time.
It's
and apparently
fascinating,
real
bro.
dolls can get damaged.
Is there a documentary about like dudes that are into that shit? Because it's fucking fascinating to me, dog.
Yeah. About real dolls?
Yeah.
Do you just want a free real doll?
I mean, like, yo, send me one. I just want to look at it. It's weird. I wouldn't fuck a real doll because it would feel creepy like fucking a corpse, I think.
Wait, you want one, but you want to fuck it?
Nah.
Why not?
Just to have one. Just to be like, this is an $8,000 fuck doll.
Oh,
but
my
like,
God.
I don't
You know how much money I would save out of a real doll?
I might
bad
try.
decisions out of it.
You know what it was? I'm gonna keep it funky.
I'm gonna have to go to City Island. I would have to do all this fake shit and like text chicks. Oh, so I might do that. Let these be creepy and just have the fucking.
That could be a thing.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, we'll get to the point where we got to pick something eccentric about and do it. Maybe your thing could be like, yo, I'm wife the real doll. You know what I'm saying? Fuck
I can't. I got curve all these chicks.
I got curve all y'all because I wife the real doll.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Me and Melania.
Me and Marioko. You know. Sorry.
You go with like elf ears and shit. Like
I'm bringing her La Marina. I'm dragging her through the sand. I gotta put her under a cabana. She's melting in the sun.
Titty come out and shit. You're like, yo, chill.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my God.
Oh, she's not on the guest list? Are you sure? She's my plus one. No. What do you want, babe?
Yeah.
You go to the bar?
Just boof mad drugs in a church.
I go to the bar. She like falls over in the sand. Niggas is like stomping the one dance over her and shit. I don't want this life for my real dog.
No. You gotta keep your real doll in the crib.
Nah,
you gotta keep it sheltered.
No, if you're fucking someone, you can't hide that for the world. So if you're having
you just
sex
have
with a
people
real
over.
dog,
You just gotta have a nice crib and
how's she gonna feel? She gonna be like, yo, you gotta claim me on Twitter.
You do. You take pictures.
Yeah.
Me and Bay. Call Bay slipping. And her sleeping with her eyes open, mad creepy.
And then the thing is, I feel like you wake up in the middle of the night, nigga, you look at the real dog, she's got his eyes wide open, nigga, looking at you.
Like, yo, like, what's up?
I find it funny how. And then I have to get a black real doll. And then I feel conflicted about that because now
you can switch it up though. You can switch up the body parts, head. You can get one with vitiligo.
No, but then this is like having sex with like an unconscious woman. That's very like weird.
That's what I'm telling you. Yeah. That's why I was like, yeah, I don't even think I can get a boner.
But you gotta make it the face. You gotta make the face like a surprise face, like, hey,
yo,
like, yo,
oh shit,
oh, this is a pleasant surprise.
Oh, you packing?
Oh, hey, real doll. Send us 2 real dolls.
Yeah, send us 2 real dolls. Real doll.
Send them to Red Bull Studios, 220 West 18th Street.
Follow them on all social media at RB Studios NY.
We're gonna set an exhibit here, and it's just me and Mero fucking real dolls.
Yo, you gotta get one that's animated for me, nigga, because I'm too washed. I gotta just lay on my back and then gotta do reverse cowgirl with the real doll. Yo,
real doll got Red Bull in his hand, like, oh!
Speaking about Red Bull, I'm about to crack one open because they got the wild catering to minorities flow and they got the orange flavor.
Hey, you know Mero busted out the orange flavor Red Bull last week and he's enjoying it.
It's my new shit.
Listen,
you know what I'm saying?
It's getting him through life. Red Bull gives you wings.
That wasn't even an ad, nigga. This shit's delicious.
It is. Like, we don't even have to we don't sign any contract where Red Bull was like, yo, you gotta mention it at all. Red Bull was like, if we didn't mention
like,
this
yo,
shit,
do not mention.
Don't mention this shit.
They're like, yo, don't say Red Bull after y'all talk about
shooting niggas and the price of coke in Washington Heights.
Yeah. But yo, shout out to everybody. Yo, shout out to everybody associated with Red Bull. Shout out to Mixbag. Shout out to
Jubilee.
You know what I'm saying?
Popcorn. Happy birthday, Popcorn.
You know what I'm saying?
2 days ago or some shit like that.
Word.
Fuck Giuliani.
Fuck Giuliani.
Got nothing to do with nothing, but let's throw it out there. He got the racist teeth. He has some hot takes. I hope he dies. Do you remember?
Yo, he came out. Yo, can I tell you? My man came out and was like, it's funny because I was going to do this for the intro, but I was too smacked. Yo, he came out and he was like, I'm tired of white America and black America. Why can't it just be America? Wow. Some shit. I was just waiting for him to be like, yeah, like that.
Yo, he was like, what? He's going to do for America what he did for New York. And I was like, whoa.
What do you mean?
Hold up.
Put every homeless person in jail?
No, he meant put plungers in everyone's butt.
Yeah.
You know
what are you talking about?
Shoot people 41 times.
Are you kidding? You do not want Giuliani as president.
Open sealed childhood records.
Oh my God.
He wasn't a choir boy, and it turned out the guy actually was a choir boy.
When he was 8 years old, he stepped on a pigeon.
That's why that guy. No one ever wants to admit this. Shout out to all my Haitians. Shout out to Jesse Wu and all y'all. C'est passé and Usher. They said that Patrick Desmond's mother. She said she didn't do it because she's not like into voodoo and shit. But they said that somebody in the Haitian community put a hex or put voodoo on Rudy Giuliani, and that's why his marriage fell apart. Remember, he had like cancer.
That's good. Put the fuck on that nigga, man.
But he beat it. So that nigga lived. But
fuck him.
And I remember because if you Google
his teeth are the source of his racist
that's
powers.
what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
They were forged on the Caucasus Mountains by Dr. Yakub himself.
It's like Thor's hammer. Nigga, racism.
Like,
ding, ding. Like, yo.
They're done. It's like Lord of the Rings enamel edition.
Yo.
Oh,
God.
He came through like, the precious, the racists.
If he really, listen, if he really wanted to save motherfuckers on 9/11, he could have stopped them planes with his teeth.
His fucking teeth to chomp down on the shit.
Fucking coward.
Fucking hate Giuliani. Fucking asshole. How is he like? How do people let him cook?
Giuliani's the reason I got arrested 1,000 times as a teenager.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
That's why I'm familiar with stop and frisk because Giuliani and those cops were like they. Even if you Google it, even the cops was like, "Yo, we can't keep up these quotas you want."
Yeah.
I remember like you 3 times in one day. Like, come on, dog. Like. Enough is enough. And then you had like the 47 precinct. There was this white, one of those real nasty Italian lady cops with the mullet. You wouldn't fuck her, but like if you took the LIRR and got off in Hempstead, there was like a bar by the LIRR station.
That's Barbara. She's hot.
That's Barbara.
She's hot.
She's hot. She's clean. You don't gotta use a rubber with her.
Yeah, bro.
Her pussy's a little hairy, but it's good.
Bro, pussy tastes like fucking gabagool, bro.
It's fucking. We call it pap smear because it tastes like
pussy
paps.
tastes like fucking. Suck on those Zeppelis, bro.
So one time I forgot her name, but you know, like she was notorious because when she would do stop and frisk, she would search her balls, but she wouldn't wear a glove.
What?
She was out there and she would like look you in your eyes. And we were like 15, 16. We're like, what the fuck? What's going on?
Is that when you became a man?
That's when I became a man.
When Desus became Desus.
And that's when we became addicted to cuckold porn. Cuckold Fest coming into DC. We're gonna have it at
Bourbon Bowl
at Union Station
/ Bourbon Bowl. Cuckold Fest. Oh my
Cuckold
god.
Fest.
Disaster.
Bring a friend.
Bring a friend. Is that the whole point?
Yeah. I mean, listen, if you want to see your wife run through with big black cocks, big black cocks.
God. That's so ill.
Shout to white genocide spreading across the nation.
Yo,
we're coming on our war show soon.
Yo, shout to white. White genocide is gonna open up for a Rage Against the Machine comeback tour. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying?
Bulls on parade.
Y'all gotta learn. Yo, so whoever knows how to play guitar, because I asked Ezra mad times, but he's mad popping and busy, so he can't teach me how to play guitar. So yo, somebody teach me how to play guitar.
Yo, if you have a band, like a live band, and you can play the Bodega Boys theme, you need to holler at us because we're working on something, and I might need your services. So please get us at us on Twitter, and not like on a recorder shit, and don't be on some Arab music shit.
Yeah.
Which is me.
I don't know. Don't use
like
Fruity Loops.
Nah,
don't use Reason. I want you in the studio with the dampers, with the little egg carton shit on the walls, and a dude, an engineer.
I want one of y'all to be on heroin or some shit, like somebody spinning their head round and around, like Petey Pablo with the t-shirts and shit.
You know what I mean?
I want you to do the wild guitar solos.
That's right.
Burn your guitar at the end.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You got a fucking Doors poster.
Die in a gutter like River Phoenix.
Hell yeah.
All right, that was too far.
Yeah, oh damn, that's crazy.
All right. Shout out to Tony Kornheiser, who I had a discussion about sneakers, and Kevin Hart with.
He's like, Jesus, let me tell you something. Air Monarchs are the best sneaker.
He told some wild, crazy story, but he really likes cottage cheese.
Shout out to Kornheiser for going to Binghamton, though. Shout out to Bearcats.
Bearcats? Is that your school? Is that your alma mater?
Nah, I went to a CUNY, so I don't rep it. But my wife went to Fordham.
It's not real school.
Yeah, I know.
If your school wasn't in what was it?
Shout out to Hunter College, though.
If your school wasn't in Coach K.
Coach K, nah.
For Sega Genesis, you're not real.
I always pick Moorhead.
All right. Shout out to College of Mount St. Vincent. The Fighting Dolphins.
Are they in it? And they're not 2K, nigga.
They are. No, they are. They're go. Listen, CMSV. We're out there.
It's not like slash something.
No.
Oh, it's the
CMSV.
initial.
Yeah, we're out there.
Okay.
And College of Mount St. Vincent. Tell one of them wingdings. Shout out to all my Filipino nurses students out there.
Shit, yeah.
But talk to them early.
You have to keep the knee on your arm. Papi, I'm going to hurt you if you don't move so much, Papi. It's okay.
Let them. I want to do the commencement speech next year.
Yo, that'd be lit.
So let me do that fucking speech.
That'd be lit.
And I won't curse. And I might show up sober.
Yo, Hunter College, y'all should let me do it.
Yeah. We're available for, like, we didn't have to go to your school. If you have, like, a kindergarten graduating, we could tell them little niggas, like, what they need to get through in life and shit.
Yep.
I'll be like, yo, cut the coke with B12.
Yo.
So when they sniff it, it burns, and they think they got good coke. And the kids are like, I think I can
be what I want to be.
Yeah.
Yo, wow, son. Shout out to my son's graduation. He graduated from pre-K and they played that song. Yo, I almost cried.
Whoa. So, time out.
Yeah.
Hold up.
Yeah.
He graduated from pre-K?
Yeah. Pre-K is like school. It's real
You
school.
can't just be having graduations for everything, dog.
Listen.
Pre-K is not a real thing.
You only get 4 graduations in life if you.
You get kindergarten.
Well, 5 depends.
You get kindergarten, junior high, high school, college.
So for me, it was pre-K,
No.
kindergarten, 5th grade.
What?
You know what I'm saying? Then junior high, 8th grade, then high school, then college, and then your master's, and then your PhD. You know what I'm saying? And then your PhD.
That's the problem with America.
You know what I'm saying?
That's the problem with America.
They want you stuck in a cycle. They either want you in school forever or in prison forever, my brother. Open your third eye.
All right, Dr. Umar.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen.
Dr. Umar. Shut the Dr. Umar.
No.
His beard was mad silky.
No, he has very problematic views. Like,
What does he say? I don't even know what this guy says.
No, we're not getting into that. But no, like, shout out to like Jamaica and places where your graduation is your fucking diploma and that's your gift. All right, you get your diploma, you go work.
Yeah.
None of this standing up and shaking your hand in front of people.
I mean, it's cool.
Yo,
I mean, there's a lot of people in my graduating class in high school. So I'm just like, you know what I mean? It was like 1,000 people there, so it wasn't like wow special. It wasn't like 5 of us. You know what I mean? Like, yo, we did it.
How did he feel about his graduation? Did he have like words of wisdom? Your son?
Yeah, he was like, yo, you know what I mean? I appreciate, you know, you validated me with this pointless piece of paper, even though I'm way smarter than everybody here. I will prove so in my further studies.
Is your son smarter than all the other kids?
Thank you, and then he dropped the mic. Yeah, pretty much.
I feel like every parent in there says that.
They have to. Yeah, if you don't say that about your kid, then you're not really like a great parent. I mean, like, I understand my son's shortcomings. Like, he's kind of small for his age.
Are you guys? Oh my god, are you guys doing that weird vegan shit? You only like feeding him nut milk and not like giving him real food?
No. He eats like a savage. That's the thing. My
You
kids
should do
eat
that though. We could get a show.
We could.
Yeah, if you starve your child.
Yo, you ever seen that shit? Remember Wife Swap? That show Wife Swap?
Yeah.
When the dude swapped with the family that ate raw meat, and the niggas only ate raw meat. That's all they ate, and they never cooked anything. They just ate like raw ground beef. That was disgusting. Like, I just look at raw ground beef and I'm like, I'll throw up if I put this in my mouth.
Really?
Yeah, raw ground beef, like from the supermarket.
What about steak tartare?
Steak tartare is different. It's prepared nicely. There's a presentation involved. I'm talking about going to ShopRite right fucking now, grabbing a 5-pound thing of meat and ripping it open, sticking a handful in your mouth.
Sounds like somebody's not ready for Donald Trump's presidency.
I'm definitely not.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Or eating garbage.
I'm not ready for Donald Trump's beef.
Are you ready to kill your neighbor? Because I bought The Division.
Okay.
Because I'm trying to get prepared for the inevitable fall of...
You have to.
Listen, Dark Desus is here.
You know what I'm saying?
First, the Saudi kingdom's going to fall. ISIS is going to take over. Oh,
True.
look at that. That's good. That's good, right? Once the Saudi kingdom falls, because of barrel fluctuation prices because of fracking, and also with Donald Trump becoming president, also because of the Black Lives Matter thugs, they're raising the crime rate.
That's true.
And they're creating a paranoia sense with the police, which is going to lead to an inevitable civil war.
Oh, yeah.
But it's not going to be a civil war because Spanish people are going to fuck it up because instead of siding with black people, they're going to side with white people because, you know, Spanish people are very problematic. And when I say Spanish people, I mean y'all. And so we all got to get AR-15s and we have to kill each other. So that's why I bought The Division, to get prepared for that. Right. And I'm just letting it be known now, I will kill any civilian in the way of anything. I will kill your whole family for a can of beans. I'm putting it out there right now. Do not approach me like a bear, or if I'm in the dark zone, and the dark zone is going to be life now. Right? We have to get prepared, guys.
You gotta get prepared. I'm just
listen, when civilization falls, y'all dummies are going to raid the Apple store, not realizing that's not what we need.
Nah.
Can't use an iPad if there's no energy.
I'm getting a raft, and I'm going to Dominican Republic.
You're not going to make it.
I'm gonna make it.
You're not going to make it because I'm going to shoot at you from the shoreline.
Motorized raft.
I'm going to take your raft back.
It's bulletproof.
No.
It's Kevlar.
Kill your whole family.
Kevlar.
No, you can't leave.
The whole family's Kevlar.
Even if civilization falls, we have to keep doing the podcast.
True. I'll Skype in, though.
No, you have to be here in the same room. That Skyping shit is whack. If you Skyped in, you wouldn't be able to hear this fucking trippy ass music in our headphones right now. All right.
I mean, I would. It depends on what I do. Imbibe.
I feel like I'm on your zaddies right now. I feel like this is the part of intervention they don't show. When niggas is chilling and shit.
Yo.
Before they're doing a fucking...
Mad smacked, having fun.
Like,
they never show that part of intervention.
They never show that shit.
Where you're smack like, yeah,
niggas like a party and shit.
Yeah.
Like Sheila is on 4 Xanny bars and dancing on top of the bar.
Yo, it's fucking lit.
It's lit.
Yo, she's dancing to one dance. Oh my God, is that Drake himself? Holy moly, what a party.
They're just showing the part where she's in the parking lot passed out doing a hand job for $5.
That's it.
I mean, listen.
Yo, you ever seen that documentary? I don't know if it was on HBO. About
Dope Sick Love?
I think it was Dope Sick Love, where homie linked up with the old dude and whopped him off.
Yes, I did. That wasn't Dope Sick Love. I did see that though.
What was that shit called? High on Crack Street or something like that?
And the dude was... That is Dope Sick Love?
He's like, yeah, we're good. He was like, yeah, we're good for tonight, daddy, or some shit like that.
So
with
wait,
no teeth on the payphone.
The guy domed him off, right?
The old guy paid the Fiend to dome him off.
No, the Fiend domed him off, or
the Fiend domed off the old guy, and they had like a little stint, like he had him on retainer, like
no,
the old guy tops him on
right.
Oh, that's right, yeah. That's right, yeah. He paid homie to top him off, and homie was the Fiend. So yo, he called him up. He's like, yeah, we're good for tonight, daddy, whatever. He links up. He goes to the crib, and homie, I can't believe, yo, you're paying homie to suck his cock, my guy.
That's it.
Remember what he tells him? He tells him, don't buy drugs with this.
Don't buy drugs with
Yeah,
this.
what do you think is gonna? My son got 2 teeth. Son got 2.5 teeth. What the fuck you think he's gonna buy?
I mean, that's the original Uber, dog. Like, you gotta. Sometimes you gotta. Hey, this is not delivery. It's a journal. You know what I mean? You come right to your house. Sometimes you want the sloppy toppy delivered to you, Poppy. You know what I mean? You got time for the looking.
Oh,
you know
my
what I'm saying?
God.
When you see my text, reply it.
Son. But that was his income. He was like, yo, I'm going to get old man McGillicuddy's gonna top me off.
I mean, that's not the. Would you rather do? How many cans do you have to collect to get that amount of money he got for letting someone suck his dick? Like,
I think it was $50. How much money? $50? I don't remember.
I mean,
it was an inconsequential amount of money.
Listen, there's worse ways to make money.
They're getting your dick sucked.
Yes. Listen. There's certain situations in your life that change like how you value. If you need money for drugs, or you're like in jail or some shit, like you might, your parameters for your dick sucked are change. The sliders in 2K are going from whatever. Yeah. You're turning up the sliders.
Yeah, wow.
You're increasing your parallel. Also, you're getting your dick sucked.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you know what? If this guy's paying to suck his dick, I'm sure he's good at it.
He must have been so high he didn't care.
Well, also, yeah.
It could have been a red panda sucking his dick, bro.
Yeah.
He didn't care.
Panda.
Rah! Kick. Yeah. Shout the designer.
For fucking pandas.
Yeah, shout the designer. Love it. He's a great rapper.
Oh, wow. What if he was like...
Tremendous artist.
Is he?
He's the next Fetty.
One song?
I'm telling you right now, he's the next
I heard the album.
He's the next Fetty Wap.
What does that even mean?
That run that Fetty Wap had,
right?
I still fuck with Fetty Wap. I still think he's a dope artist, but he had that crazy summer run. Mm-hmm. I think Designer's gonna have a crazy summer run like that.
The problem is music is just too disposable now. There's too much music.
That's what it is.
So like even songs that were like that's I got the keys. I got that song should have been like the gem of the summer, like 3 years ago. That song came and I was like, all right, what's next? Like that shit is like kind of like nothing is kind of.
What's the song of the summer to you right now? To me, it's One Dance.
Easily One Dance. Yeah. Easily One Dance. Yeah. Anyone who says different is a liar. Of course, there's people.
What else is there even in the running?
There's somebody on OK Player right now saying like the fucking song of the summer, some Jay Davy song or some bullshit. I'll put your fucking acoustic face.
I don't know.
I always used to hate that. I used to post there and you'd be like, "Oh, it's the song of the summer," and like I would say what would actually be playing in the clubs, and niggas be like, "Actually." The song of the summer is Jill Scott Golden.
Sorry.
Or Dilla Donuts. I'm like, nah, nigga.
Come on.
Like, that's not what's popping.
Oh, your eyes still green, girl.
No. Common breaking. Anytime I hear that, I know it's going down.
Get out of here. Yeah, One Dance is definitely a song of the summer. I don't even think anything else that comes close unless it's fucking... Yeah. It might be the Bieber shit.
Nah, that was before the summer though.
Was it?
Summer, that sorry.
That shit does not ring off still. Yeah.
No, and then you also have people who like live in niche communities, and they'll be like, "Oh, actually, in Chattanooga, the number one song of the summer,
I mean, yeah,
is Chicken George.
Chicken George books are wide.
Shit, that's actually Chattanooga, Charlottesville. You know what I'm saying? Chevrolet George with the left turn. Do the left turn. Do the left turn.
Hey,
do the left turn.
Hey.
I got 52 ribs and I got my own grins. Hey, do the left turn. Now wobbly.
Do the left. Bust a throw that ass in a circle. Throw that ass in a circle.
Oh, hey.
Yo, fucking.
It's the meaning of being free. Oh, yes, baby.
Yo, if you wear a dad hat, the song of the summer is Uber Everywhere.
Yeah.
If you wear a Bryson Tiller hat.
What's the song of the summer for white people? You know what? Side note. Pause.
The size of the oppressed.
Good Lord. Good Lord. The song of the summer for white people is All Lives Matter.
Oh, God.
No, I didn't know Megan Trainor was from America. I thought she was from England because they did this whole thing.
She got a
she's
very
not
English
voting.
face.
She does.
She got a real English face.
She looked like a wash the dough.
Yeah.
That's not body shaming.
That's not shaming at all. She just looks
That's not body
English.
shaming. She just looks like tea.
You know what I'm saying?
She looks like a digestive biscuit.
That's it. She looks like a crumpet.
Yeah.
With a cranny.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Vitrimatate.
Yeah. It's not a bad thing.
It's not.
It's not a bad thing. It's not a good thing. It's a thing.
What's her thing? Like, is
You know what I'm
she's part of that thing? Like, I don't know.
She's like, yo, you know what it is for her? I'm gonna keep it super 1,000. People might get tight. She's not. She's
Probably
not.
mag lights on. Go ahead.
She's
Shoot
not
for 40.
She's not popping aesthetically. So like people.
She's not popping aesthetically.
You know what I'm saying? She's not popping aesthetically. So if other girls is not popping aesthetically, it's like, yo,
yeah.
Put the fist up, you know what I mean? Like,
right.
yo, we rock with you, you know what I mean? Like, also she does mad bubblegum shit.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? That like little kids can sing. Yo, if you can get 10-year-olds singing your song, you get money.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what we gotta do.
I don't know if it was Nick Cannon or his man Goldman that told me, he's like, yo, if you write for like 12-year-olds, nigga, you get money.
Yeah. What 12-year-olds into?
I don't know. I just watched an episode of some shit that was aimed at 12-year-old kids, and it was a sketch show. Mm-hmm. And one sketch was just like, there was kids at a table eating lunch. Like, they're just sitting like, yo, at a cafeteria eating lunch. Then out of nowhere, a big ass like purple foot comes and smashes the table. Yeah. And slime comes out of the foot. And the kids are like, what the heck? And then everybody started cracking up. I was like, how is this funny, dog?
We gotta snatch 2 12-year-olds up.
Dog,
and,
I don't understand how their brain works.
And study them.
Yeah.
Where can we find some 12-year-olds?
Damn, that sounds so bad out of context.
No, I meant that exactly how I said it. So I'll get this fucking Law and Order SVU episode.
They're gonna put that part on sampler.
Oh shit! Yeah. That's gonna be our next Law and Order SVU episode.
I was gonna say Jared's hard drive, but 12-year-olds. I mean, I don't know. Home Depot parking lot.
We gotta study them.
I studied 12-year-olds for mad years.
How long until one of your kids is 12?
Mero Jr.'s 5, so 7 years.
Damn.
7 plus 5.
Nah, we're not gonna still be talking.
So he's like, yeah. He's like, yeah, you did it right. He said, 7 plus 5 is 12, bro. You got it.
Nah, our career trajectory is to go like,
but you know what?
like Challenger. Like, we're not. In 7 years, like, we're gonna have to Skype to each other.
Oh yeah. But yeah, I did actually study. Yeah, that's why I always say like 12-year-olds, 13-year-olds are really like whatever 12 and 13-year-olds are doing, saying, wearing is what we're gonna be doing, saying, wearing in 5 years.
Really?
They predict every trend. I've noticed that because I worked in a junior high for mad years. You know what I'm saying? So I've seen kids say shit and use slang. I was seeing, yo, you know how everybody's now is like, yo, that's a dub?
Yeah.
I was hearing 12-year-olds say that's a dub in like 2008. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Like, and it was like, and it sounded weird because only they were saying it. You know what I'm saying? But then I just started saying that shit because it just sounded funny to me. And then I'm not saying that I'm like, obviously I decided it's 12-year-olds and 13-year-olds. I started all these fucking slang trends and all that shit. It's crazy. Dances, all that shit. Because ain't really the niggas dancing. You're not 30 years old in the club doing the fucking nay-nay. You know what I'm saying? At all.
Speak for yourself.
You know what I'm saying?
Speak for yourself.
Shut that.
I'll be having the icy hot down after the margarita part now. I'll be out there though.
You know what I'm saying? You be out there, but you be doing like the grown nigga dance like yo, you know what I'm saying? You're not out there like, oh, doing the Odell Beckham shit on a fucking hoverboard.
Boom, boom, boom.
You know what I'm saying? All that crazy shit like
yeah,
I can't. I just hurt myself doing that.
Yeah,
and I'm on like fucking mad oxycodone.
So
yeah.
Damn, son.
You know what I mean?
Where'd you get that?
Where'd you find this? Damn, son.
All right.
Yo, if y'all want to pay me to do those drops, I could sound just like that guy.
You'd have to charge a lot. You can't be doing cheap drops.
No way.
Because I used to DJ. Shout out to DJ Jesus.
You know what I'm saying?
I also had my Serato on Deckington.
DJ Jesus.
Yes, you heard the drops. I had 500 drops made. Some shit like that. But yeah, you got to charge because you can't just have like some whack nigga in Memphis.
Yeah. DJ fucking wing ding wackadoo. Yo, this is
You're listening to DJ Skechers.
Yeah. Nah. Yo, DJ Healy's on the 1 and 2s.
You're in the mix with DJ Foreskin. DJ Foreskin. And then Mero comes through like, hey, I approve this mix.
Yo, it's the Kid Mero, and I'm over here rocking with DJ, and he just puts his name in.
Foreskin. Yo, what up? It's your boy Young Chipotle, and when I'm in Chattanooga, I like to chill with DJ Bars and Fars. See?
Nigga puts his own shit in there.
But when you get desperate, you gotta do shit like that. You know what I mean? Like if everything doesn't work out for us, we could definitely start doing drops and
Yo.
You know what we should do? We should do the little warning video before pornos.
Oh shit.
We could be like, hey, I see you're about to beat your meat. You should really wrap it up though. Did you wear a condom when you masturbate?
Nah.
Do people do that?
Nah.
Why do they have warnings before pornos?
That's weird.
Oh,
right?
okay. Because I always skip it. But they're saying like, yo, what you
When
see
you
in the
fuck.
video, don't do with that.
Right,
shit.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
don't blow the fucking pizza guy.
You know, for a second, I'm such a dirtbag. I thought you meant like the pre-rolls that run when you're like watching on Pornhub and shit.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Pornhub. Shout out to Spank Bang.
Shout out to X Hamster. They don't have that pre-roll shit.
No?
Not that I am a aficionado of porn, but you know what I mean?
It's not some of them have it and some of them don't, but it'll be like myhotbook.com.
It's
Come
that-
watch me live. Jerk
It's
off.
that XXX Jasmine.
That is the worst.
shit is the worst.
Bruh.
You can actually go in your local.host file and manually edit it and block it for all my nerds out there.
Oh shit. For all my coders.
All my coders out there. Oh, my coders.
Yo. But yeah, nah, that shit is worse because that shit used to fucking pop up in a pop-up window behind the window you got open when you didn't even realize the shit popped up. But then I don't know, you just hear, oh yeah,
daddy,
50 more tokens and I do it all the way.
And you're like, whoa.
I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Yo,
I'm Mr. Crab Eve. You're like,
I'm in the library.
Yo, my mom. Yo, shout out to my mother. She just went back to Florida. She was visiting. It's just like, yo. First of all, I can't bring no chicks through.
Nah,
you know what I mean? That's not happening. Because then
also, that's just embarrassing. I mean, like, even if your mom is like, cool, I don't care, you're a grown man and you do
can't
your
be
thing.
jerking it
It's
with
still,
your-
yeah, you know what I
man.
mean? I remember being like, not even like a grown man, but like, you know what I'm saying? Like old
Right.
enough and being at my mom's crib, getting wild salacious toppy on the couch, thinking like, yo, she's not gonna be home for like 4 hours, and she came home early,
Right.
And like, shorty had time to, get herself together before she opened the door,
Right.
But it was still like, you know what I'm saying? Like my mom walked in, she was like, oh, hello, and then she was like, can I speak to you for a second? She's like, ¿Quién está sucia? Mi casa. I'm just like, yo, mom, I'm like, my name is. Oh damn, yo, bleep that.
Out there.
Damn, yo, bleep that.
Yeah, we'll make sure to be that. No, I used to drive out to Hempstead, Long Island to go see a chick that's back in college. And like, where her mother, cause they were mad religious, so her mother would go to like church every night and shit. So I'd go out there, you know what I'm saying, go through, like blow her back out on her mother's bed. And one time her mother came home, and she like, it was clear what was going on and shit. Because Shorty was like a little chubby. It took a little while to get back in her shit,
in the thing.
She was good. You know what I'm saying? She got, she was going through things. She had a little pause. It was still,
Her mom's. This is important though.
Her mother sat us on the couch and read us Bible scriptures for like 2 hours.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
About fornicating and sex outside of marriage.
Wow.
They kept calling her mother. She kept calling her daughter a whore. And I was like, yo, I gotta get back. So, I mean, you want to write this down or like I can read these scriptures later and shit. She was like, sit down.
Yo,
They were from Panama.
Oh man.
She was Panamanian and black.
Shout out to all my South Americans.
Her mother didn't like
religious.
me because I have dark ears.
You have dark ears. I mean, you're evil.
Fucking
From
racist.
Panama. That's crazy. 'Cause everybody in Panama is fucking purple.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all.
I'm like, yo, you have your daughter taking a picture in the middle of the living room in a big foo-foo dress, and now you hate on me because I got dark ears?
Yo.
No, shout out to her. No, she's happy now. She's a lesbian now.
No, shout out to her.
I was the last guy she
thing.
dated.
Yeah.
So,
Is that like, yo, is that like Steve Jobs? Is that like having an iPhone 4? Like, yo, this is the last one before Steve Jobs died?
I guess so. I don't
You know what I'm
know.
saying?
What's weird is I ran it when I used to work in a nightclub. I was working security at a lesbian party, and I checked her ID. And that was awkward.
Oh.
So, shout out to that.
Oh, you're like, oh, you're
I was
doing
like, oh,
you're doing
oh.
church maneuvers now.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Shout out to her. Hope she's happy.
Yeah.
She's whack.
Shout out to all everybody's ex-girlfriend. Shout out to all your ex-girlfriends. Shout out to all
No,
mine.
it's not shout out to all my ex-girlfriends. Not all of them.
Yo, I've been looking at one ex in particular, like, damn, you're taking L's.
Yeah.
And it was her birthday today. It's like, yeah, happy birthday.
You were there on her Facebook?
Take that L. Nah.
Oh, do you talk to her or you just stalk her?
Well, yeah, like intermittently. She'll hit me up like, yo, so proud of you. Yeah, you doing your thing on TV. I'm like, fuck out of here, bitch. We ain't proud of me shit. Fucking lying ass bitch.
Oh, man.
Got into mad fights. Yo, every dude has that one girl that made you get into mad fights.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And just caused you mad drama. And that was just terrible. I got into mad fights with mad dudes. Like, I got into way more fights, but like a small percentage of those fights, enough for me to make a big deal about it,
right,
was because of her. You know what I'm saying? And
Was
it
she
like,
starting them? Was like she like flirting with guys? While you was out? Yeah. Damn.
And then
I've been
like,
there, dog.
But then like she's like, yo, I'm not fucking with these niggas. Like whatever. I'm just like, nah. But then they think dudes don't need really a real opening,
right?
You know what I mean? Like it just could be like a kind of opening. You know what I'm saying? And they'll just jump right in.
So she's putting you in bad situations.
You know what I'm saying?
She's putting you at risk.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? And disrespect the nigga like this. So now I gotta punch this
That's
nigga in
the
and watch
worst.
now I'm in Washington Square Park fighting a nigga with my shirt off. You know what I'm saying? And at 3:00 in the afternoon, like I look terrible. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't do that. This one dude, I almost got arrested at Hunter, shout out to Hunter College, because this dude came up and was trying to holler, you know what I'm saying? And I was walking up the stairs and I seen him and he was all in her face.
Yeah.
So I just seen the nigga and she wasn't like flinching, like she was like kind of backing up a little bit, but and then I was just like, all right, like I'm gonna speak to her about this, but I gotta knock this dude out.
Yeah.
Immediately is the first thing I thought. So I just walked up on dude, he didn't even see me, and I just was like, whang! In his face, he was facing down, and I came from like under, and I just caught his whole grill like,
wow,
very satisfying.
Yikes!
Very satisfying full contact punch.
I don't have a story like that, but
and then we had a whole scuffle. Dog, I threw this dude down a flight of stairs at Hunter College, and then I ran out. Because they called security. Security was coming through. I was this whole crazy shit. I ran out of there. And you know, Hunter is connected to the 6th train, 68th Street.
Right.
Ran all the way down into the fucking thing, into the train station, hopped the train and bounced. I was shook though, because I was like, yo, I'm going to definitely get arrested, because I assaulted this guy on campus.
And then you get arrested.
I didn't get arrested.
I was shopping on West 8th Street.
West 8th? Oh, no.
With this chick I used to go with from Queens. We were in a sneaker store. And who walks in? Joe.
Oh.
The singer.
Oh,
Mr. I'll take your chick. You know what I mean?
All the things a man won't do.
Exactly. Exactly. So off the rip, I'm like, nah, it's not going down like that.
I do everything.
Get the fuck out of here. You fucking dark skinned Eminem. Get out of here. You're not stealing my chick. And this chick is so open and flirting with him.
Man.
Like, I'm looking at the sneakers and stuff, and she's like looking at him and like, you know, oh my God, Joe, and all this shit.
Yeah.
And this chick got like a turtleneck. It's like summertime. What? Fuck that. And you know what I'm saying? Like, he's out here, he's doing his Joe shit.
Yeah.
And like I'm getting tight.
Turtleneck summertime.
I'm getting tight. Yo, he left. And like, you know, like she goes over. She's like, I'm a big fan. Blah blah blah. She tried to like slip him a number or some shit.
Bruh.
Ma'am,
Bruh.
I fought with that girl from fucking 8th Street to fucking Canal Street.
Yo, you made me look
walking
like
down
that.
Broadway,
Yo,
like
how dare
screaming
you.
on her. Yo, you got me looking stupid out here.
What the
This
fuck?
nigga did a song with Chico DeBarge.
Yo, you
Like,
crazy?
respect me, ma.
Yo.
This nigga had a song with Mariah and Nas.
You know what I'm
like,
saying?
treat me like a king.
Treat me like a king.
What's wrong with you?
What do I do that he? What don't I do that
This
he can
nigga
do
made
for you? Huh?
stutter.
Huh?
Got me going crazy.
Stuttering.
Oh.
Stuttering.
Fuck her.
Fucking Joe. Get out of here.
Yeah.
You get
Shout
out
out
of
to
here.
Joe though. He made some good songs.
Yeah.
I always loved Joe as a singer until I realized he was like the wild thought nigga.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Waiting to steal your girl.
He's a
and shit.
professional side nigga,
He
Joe.
over there. You
Yeah.
know? Side niggas. You gotta watch out for side niggas.
Professional.
Being a side nigga is not an honorable occupation. And here's a hot take.
It's like being a scab. It's like being a scab in the union.
It's like, yeah. You know
what I'm saying?
It is.
You know what I mean? Like, you're out there doing it. You're getting paid, but you're a scumbag.
You gotta hear both sides, because sometimes people are put in situations where they're a side nigga, and it's like clearly they should be the main nigga, but the girl's going through some bullshit. Like, I can't pick. Oh my God, like,
it's such a hard situation.
Yeah, oh my God, it's like I'm so frustrated. I don't know what's going on. But you know, like. So gotta hear both sides. So we take back our side nigga slander.
You don't know.
You know,
So,
maybe
yeah.
this is some of the side niggas.
Maybe some.
Side niggas gotta go through shit because they gotta like look. They gotta look side pieces in general, not just side niggas, but they gotta look on your Instagram when you hugged up with Boo.
Oh yeah.
You at the beach with the kids and shit. And shit. You know what I mean? Like, you know,
That
not
hurts.
Mero.
That
I'm
hurts.
just throwing this out there.
That hurts them.
You know what I'm saying? They can't build with you. You only come through after midnight and shit. You gotta send them a text like, yo, did you wash your cooch?
No.
I'm coming through.
That's really all you're concerned with.
Yeah.
Like, yo, what's that?
You don't really care.
What that thing smell like.
She trying to tell you, I got to get up early tomorrow because, you know, there's a promotion program and I'm going into it. And if I get this training, like, it could mean a lot. You're like, yo, so we got to hurry up or what?
Yo, my dick is off.
Like, could you suck my dick? Like, let's talk and shit. She's trying to tell you your hopes and dreams and shit.
Damn.
And you just wild sad. Like, you ain't trying to hear none of that shit. You like, yo, you hit her up in the daytime, like, yo, I'm coming through tonight. And she's like, yeah, come through at midnight. And her next text is like, I miss you. And you like, it's no emotions, bro.
No,
it's not like that.
If you're gonna be a side joint, gender neutral term, you know what I'm saying? If you're gonna be a side joint, don't be deceitful. You know what I'm saying? Be real. Be like, yo, I'm a side joint. You know what I'm saying? And both of y'all come to mutual agreement.
But that's kind of shitty to be a side joint.
Of side jointness.
Like, if you're a side piece, you deserve full love.
Sometimes,
real love.
Yo, listen, Kurt Rambis was head coach of the Knicks for a little bit. Sometimes you get promoted.
Yeah, but you know what? You shouldn't have to wait for that promotion. You shouldn't. You are a person.
Put your work in.
Here's inspirational Desus.
Okay.
You are a person. You are not a Pokemon.
Okay.
You shouldn't have to wait for someone to keep you tracked in a Pokeball.
And evolve
And
you?
one day evolve you. Stomping all over the world. You're hatching eggs, right? Fighting in gyms and leaving you alone with Pikachu.
Yo, but honestly, bro.
Only you can evolve you, beloved.
Only you can evolve you. That's very true. But the very wise philosopher Plato,
Right.
the Greek era philosophers, said that when it comes to side joints, you stay low and build.
And shock the
And then
gram.
you shock the gram, dog.
Yeah.
That's what you gotta do. Play position until you shock the gram.
Okay, but what if you gotta know for sure that there's definitely gonna be gram shocking. You know what I mean? You can't just be out
I've been
there.
uptown, nigga. Them grams are shocking.
All right, you can't be in limbo. That's the one thing. Don't keep your side piece in limbo.
Yeah, no, that's true. Yeah.
You know, if you promise to them like, yo, I'm divorcing this chick, let them see the papers.
Yeah, that's
You know
true.
what I mean?
That's true.
Don't just come to them and be like, yo, I can't stand this bitch.
Yo,
You understand me? She doesn't. Yo, give me that sloppy toppy.
Complain. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
shit.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't confuse your side piece by
No.
like texting them real life problems and then you're not there to listen to their shit.
No.
Nah, don't do that.
Yeah, I gotta keep shit cash, man, and just like enjoy life and be like, yo, the whole point of a side joint is
It's like Popeyes.
Yeah.
When you go to Popeyes, you get the chicken. You got the chicken.
chicken's good.
All right. And when they say to you, what sides do you want?
Exactly.
All right. It's not the main meal. It's part of the complete meal.
But it makes everything good.
It's a different flavor.
Yep.
It's a different texture.
Yep.
It adds to the meal.
Yeah.
It alone would not be enough
No.
for a full meal.
No, you can't just eat red beans and rice.
You can't just eat dirty rice.
No.
You know what I'm saying? You can't just eat bad mac and cheese.
You can't just eat a fucking New Orleans cheesecake.
Yo, Popeyes don't even got no New Orleans shit. They're like, yo, here's your fucking sides. You want fucking goom? You want fucking?
You want some green bean mush shit,
You want a
nigga?
beef patty, nigga?
Motherfucker.
You want some mofongo?
Yo, they really got the cheesecake though with the confetti or whatever the fuck it is in it.
Yo, there's no black people at the Popeyes in Bay Plaza.
Nah.
It's all like Mexicans.
Oh, word?
No offense to Mexicans, they're hardworking people, they're
Shut
industrious.
Yo,
They
you know
love
what I
beans.
have seen though? Yo, but and this is not even like a on some like wild shit. It's just something I've noticed. Mad Dunkin' Donuts, mad Popeyes, mad Indian people holding it down.
They own them.
Put me on, yo. My Indian.
It's a franchise.
Indian Hive. Holla at me.
It's a franchise.
How y'all got it on Smash like that?
So remember,
Subways?
I used to be a small business writer. So it's a franchise. You have to have a certain number of assets and stuff, and you also have to have like previously owned franchises as well.
Right.
But that's highly profitable. The fastest growing franchise in New York City, I think this might have changed. I'm not sure, but was Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, there's
those
everywhere.
are popping up everywhere.
They're everywhere. So.
Yo, it's funny because there was an open slot in Bay Plaza, and I was like, yo, Dunkin' Donuts will crush right here. And then I was like, yo, I should have did it, should have invested, man.
But you need like $1 million in like cash assets, and you need to previously own like 3 other franchises for you. You know who owns like a lot of fucking franchises?
On the crack spot 187.
Jamal Mashburn.
Yo, he owns like 12 Domino's, like
26 Papa John's and
yeah.
shit.
Shout out to him. He's chilling.
He's doing the good thing. See, why the rest of you coon monkeys are out there buying bottles in nightclubs and shit, Jamal Mashburn has smartly invested his money. Right? He could possibly buy a racehorse.
Yo, Shaq is doing the same thing, right? You got Shaq?
Yeah,
Does-
Shaq
does he
is
have,
all
like,
over.
Taco Bell's and
Shaq
shit?
had Google stock back before Google stock was a thing. Remember when Jay said, I sold crack in the building back when selling crack in the building was a big deal?
Yeah.
Shaq had Google stock back when Google stock was a real deal.
Yo,
Okay?
shout out to Shaq.
All right? He got his powder. You know, see him in the
Powder.
ads. He's selling the powder. He got the lotion.
He got powder?
He sells a tough acting to acting.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. And he got the lotion too. The Gold Ball lotion.
The Gold Ball lotion. There you go.
Yo, my man Shaq is like a human NASCAR, dog.
Listen, you got to get all those endorsements, man. If
Yeah.
they're right, if the shoe fits, if that check clears, you take it, man.
Yo, straight up.
We about to be out here. Wait till me and Mero do a promo ad for SeaWorld. And we're like, listen, we've heard the complaints. Hey. Hi, it's Desus. Nice.
And I'm the Kid Mero.
We've heard the complaints and we've seen the video, and we want to assure you, our animals are happy.
They're treated fairly. They're fed well.
Look at Shamu.
Look at him.
He's a killer whale, but he's no killer here. His guns don't bust anymore. Come on, look at these seals. If they weren't happy, would they bounce balls on their face?
Kill me.
Shamu.
Kill me.
Shamu, shut the fuck up. Shamu, shut the fuck up.
Kill me.
I'll fuck
Kill me.
Shamu, I'll fuck you up. He's a happy Shamu. Here's have a fish, nigga.
Kill me.
Fucking listen. These ain't no bitch ass animals. This is a new SeaWorld, nigga.
Yo, is SeaWorld that bad, dog?
SeaWorld is terrible.
I always wanted to believe.
Have you never been to SeaWorld?
Nah, I've never.
Oh my God.
I've never been. Yeah,
here's the thing. I didn't know. I went as a child, and like even as a child, I was like, something ain't right here. Because at one point, we were walking through a tunnel, and there were penguins, and there was like a little glass enclosure, but there were no doors to the tunnel.
Okay.
We were in Florida, in Orlando. It had to be like 95 degrees outside. So there was no way for that area that the penguins were in to be any kind of Arctic temperature.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? It had to be like a balmy 75 in there. And also the penguins were leaning out like dope fiends on East Tremont. You know what I'm saying? Like, it wasn't those beautiful penguins from Ice Age and
like,
shit.
Yo, sliding down a toboggan.
No.
Like fucking ice thing.
Like one fucking, it was, all the penguins were on K2.
Damn.
Niggas was leaning on hydrants and shit.
See, I always wanted to believe that it was like a mad, happy, magical place with like whales jumping through hoops and like eating fish and loving life.
No, it's like,
because remember was it Free Willy? Was it with the whale with the crooked fin?
Yeah.
And they saved him and blah blah blah. Well, maybe you should just let him die.
Here's a sad teaser story from my childhood.
Oh, you saw a whale die?
No, but you remember the troll book orders?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I wanted to get a book, and my mother was like, "No, the library has books for free."
True.
So whatever. So I took some money. I had some
Which
money.
actually was smart because you could actually go get those troll books in the library.
But you know the thing is, it's the experience of getting the books
something
in front of the
that day.
class.
Yeah,
so your class was like, "Oh, look, he's not poor."
Yeah.
So I got a book, and like it was like I think it was like $1.95 or something. Which you know you're in second grade. That's that's $1 million.
Yeah.
So I bought a book about Corky the sea lion.
Oh.
And it was a touching story.
Okay.
Except at the end of the story, he goes blind.
What? How does a sea lion go blind?
I don't know. I guess he was smoking bad J's or something. Anyway, Corky the sea lion goes blind or whatever, but he still lives a full life because you know what I'm saying? God's working on all of us, and we are all inclusive.
That's
so
right.
shout out to all my disabled people.
That's
you know,
right.
accessibility and all that shit counts. And Corky lived a good life, but because of that, I became like obsessed with like mammals and sea monkeys and all that SeaWorld shit. So when we went to SeaWorld, I was like very excited to see that shit. And SeaWorld is so bad, dog.
Damn.
Like you looked at where Shamu was at, and you was like, nah. Like no, Shamu shit looked like Rikers.
Damn.
Like
Shamu.
you had like dolphins like sharpening fucking shivs and shit.
Damn, that's crazy. Because at the Bronx Zoo, they look mad happy. The seals.
No,
They're
the Bronx Zoo is better because the Bronx Zoo has mad space.
Yeah.
You can tell from the wolf exhibit 'cause you can't see the fucking wolves.
Yeah,
Them niggas is like a river
hiding it. Yeah.
They're like, if you look all the way up the fucking hill, maybe you see a wolf.
Maybe you'll see
not.
a wolf up here. Damn, fuck you, SeaWorld. That's fucked up.
Yeah, they're changing this shit up now, and they're probably gonna close down.
Yeah.
But I mean,
because I wanted to take my kids to an aquarium. Yo, is there another aquarium besides the one in Brooklyn? I had this. I know I could probably just Google this, but Victor's taking a bum nap.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I feel like there's another. Is there an aquarium that has octopuses? Because I want to take my kids to see an octopus because they want to see one in like water.
Is that the plural of octopus? Octopuses?
Octopi?
Octopi. There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
Octopi Wall Street.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't have kids, so I don't go to shit like that.
You don't go to.
You can talk to one of my whack ex-girlfriends. They would have definitely the talk on where an aquarium is.
Yeah, if you're one of these whack ex-girlfriends, call us up 1-800-239-797. Tell me about aquariums.
Why don't you want to go to the one in Brooklyn?
Because it doesn't have octopus. It's mad small. I went there mad times when in school, working
What
in
about
school.
the Central Park Zoo? They don't have it?
I never went to the Central Park Zoo.
Wow, this is so wild because like you got little kids and you gotta occupy, you gotta entertain them and shit.
Yeah, but you know what it is? As a kid, I didn't appreciate that shit because I just went for school,
right?
And I really was more interested in like lifting up Tabitha's skirt and like, you know what I mean, like sneaking off and doing stupid shit. So I didn't really appreciate like, yo, that's a fucking alligator, and I can see it. You know what I mean? Yo, it's dope. Yo, go check out the Bronx Zoo. You know what I'm saying? If you're in the hood,
if you go to Florida,
Wednesday's free.
Go to Gatorland Zoo. Have you ever been?
Nah.
Oh my god, it's terrifying. They put raw chickens on a clothing line, and they stretch it out over a lake for the gators, and the gators jump up and pull them shit down. And then they have a swamp that's a maze, and it's like a wooden platform through a swamp, and it's like parts of it no one has been to in like years and shit. Because you walk in, it's like a big giant motherfucking spider web and shit, and you're like, I better not go this way. And you're inches away from the swamp water where there's gators and shit.
What?
That shit is the best shit ever. Don't go there because your kid might get dragged.
Drag that. Yo, I was so tight that day. I was in the subway and I seen a pizza. Victor was there. And there was a rat dragging a plate with a slice of pizza on it. And it was like dragging it down the tracks. And I was recording the video. I was like, yes, bitch, yes, drag him, bitch, yes. And then some dude pulled up behind me. He's like, excuse me, do you know where the E-train? I was like, fuck you, damn, you just fucked up my Snapchat.
You're fucking up the content.
Fucking jerk.
Damn. How do you feel about the Snapchat's moment thing now? Now you can put old photos and shit into your Snapchat feed.
I was waiting for that because sometimes you just catch a video,
right?
You know what I'm saying? Because Snapchat, to do on Snapchat, you got to do mad finger motions, b.
Mm-hmm.
Like if there was if iPhone, you want to kill the game, iPhone, Apple, listen to this. Make one touch Snapchat button or something where you just do one motion and Snapchat pops up ready to go. Because if something, think about it like this: if something wild is happening and you want to catch it, you got to go on your thing, open it up. Go to Snapchat, open up Snapchat, fucking, the shit is gonna, here we go. Yeah, it takes man long. It's a fucking pain in the ass, b. If y'all make that shit more user friendly, then, you know what I'm saying? But think about the times that you just pop up and use your video. I could literally swing my shit up right here, boop, video.
You know what? I was talking to Mero earlier. I'm about to be that dickhead with two phones. I'm gonna have two phones, one for the night and one for the house. Yeah, I gotta get two phones right now because my situation get a little sketch with my whole life situation. Okay. I'm thinking I might get an iPhone.
You gotta do it
because I'm tired of doing the green bubble shit.
Yes, fucking the group text.
You know what? I didn't know your iPhone people took that shit that seriously. And the thing is, I can't be out here alone, with the green bubbles. I actually watch your phone in real time. The iMessage, be interrupted with the green bubble. Oh, yeah. That shit came through, fucking Kool-Aid at the court wall, Family Guy.
I'm watching my little three dots pop up, and then I don't know what you're like, bloop, fuck y'all niggas shit. Fuck
y'all. Challenger appears.
Damn.
I popped up like a Pokemon. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
No, there's some feature. Hollywood, apparently, you can't rise in Hollywood with an Android.
No, you can't.
Yeah.
You have your iPhone code. It's like Scientology.
Yeah. I'm buying in.
You gotta do it.
I'm buying in. Listen, all you people want is our success. So I'm not gonna stand in the way of my success.
Don't do
you know what I'm saying? Because I want to see you guys.
You can still do the Samsung commercial.
Yeah. A$AP Rocky did a Samsung commercial. Yeah. You know he's not using the Android phone. You know he's not giving his Android phone to Ian Connor to do things that we do not condone.
That's
on this fucking podcast.
Fucking bleh.
How dare you? How dare you threaten Craig Jenkins?
Craig Jenkins.
He did.
He did?
He did.
He did Craig Jenkins?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What did he say?
It was a thing, but they had a back and forth.
Oh, word? Yo, fuck you, nigga. Shout out to Craig Jenkins.
Craig Jenkins, you know what I'm saying? Craig Jenkins died on the Hill for Watch the Throne, which I still say is one of the last pro-black rap albums since, before To Pimp a Butterfly by Kendrick Lamar, and I stand by it. Right. And Craig Jenkins explained it.
That's true.
Shout to him.
Shout to you.
Shout to him, right? You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Gang.
Noisy Gang, Vice Gang, all that shit. MTV2 gang still, though.
Yo, we still here.
Don't get that shit twisted.
Yeah, come on.
Still got Uncommon Sense.
Yeah. You
know what I'm saying?
Tonight.
We're recording it tonight, right?
Yeah. Friday night, 11 o'clock, guys.
Tune in and watch it on television. If you have cable from provider. If not, please call your provider and ask for the MTV package.
Do niggas have an MTV package?
You know what?
Yo, cable's so ill. We are going to enter the future and people are going to be ordering channels a la carte. You heard it on Bodega Boys, fam. It's going to happen.
Never going to happen.
You know what I'm saying?
Never going to happen.
It's going to happen.
No, because think about channels like MTV2, gospel channels, little channels like that. They have to be bundled in. Yeah. Because no one, if you had to buy a channel, you would buy 5 channels. You'd buy ESPN.
That's right.
You'd buy the Yes Network. Think about it, but Madison Square Garden.
People are already doing it now with the apps because on my if I turn my TV on right now, I got an Xbox. So if I turn the Xbox on, I could watch ESPN on my Xbox. I could watch HBO on my Xbox. I could watch Showtime on my Xbox.
Showtime?
You know what I'm saying? I got Netflix. So it's what the fuck do I need? You know what I mean?
The only thing keeping cable alive at this point is sports.
Straight up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? If
I could watch
did some type of deal with fucking Netflix or forget
it's
it.
A wrap. It's a Rappington.
Yep.
It is a Rappington.
Give me New York sports on a streaming service, and you
got me.
I could kiss cable goodbye.
Yeah.
But then what about the internet?
What do you mean about the internet?
How would you get internet? Just Wi-Fi?
No, you'd pay for instead of doing that triple pay package, they'd have to offer.
That's how they fucking get you though, because they bundle that shit. But then if you kind of feel like an asshole.
Eventually, someone's gonna come out, and I feel like it might be Google, and they'll be like, "Yo, do you want just straight unprotected internet,
raw Google fibers,
raw Google fiber,
nigga,
bareback
ass,
huh?
whoa, hey, I'm going
bareback fibers.
That's right.
Up in your house, up into your Googleplex.
You know what I'm saying?
No, but the person that offered, because that used to be an option, that you used to be able to just get internet.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It didn't have to be bundled and shit. And eventually people are going to be like, I don't want this home phone where people I don't know are calling me at 3 p.m. and asking me about voting surveys or scaring the shit out of me because they're calling with scams and telling me I have a Windows virus on my MacBook.
Though you have no idea how many times I have fucking Rob Gronkowski spike my house phone because I didn't even know I had a fucking house phone and the shit rang when I'm trying to put my kids to sleep or some shit like that and just fucked up my whole flow. And now I gotta wait an extra hour and a half to smoke this weed. So fuck you, house phone. Call my cell.
Yeah. Well.
And Heather got a cell too, so if you need to holler at me, holler.
He doesn't answer either one of them, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Anyway, did we talk about everything?
Oh no.
I think we did. Oh no, we're good.
No,
That's fine.
It was some shit there.
We out here. We touched on everything there. Fuck Giuliani, cop shooting niggas, Nazi salute, Drake about abs. Yeah.
Big vibes.
The division. Oh, shout out to, what is it? Bodega Hive?
Oh, yeah. Shout out to Bodega Task Force. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my man.
Gang.
Shout out to my man, 20 CEO Body. J. Dot. You know what I'm saying? I forgot to shout y'all on the last episode, but I got you now, my nigga. Holla. Out here, Bodega Task Force. Nigga, bust your guns. Jack your block or get smacked. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Yo, we out here. We about to get niggas got Desus on this wave now. We about to be on
I'm about to be out there on Division. I'm antisocial. I really do not like to be on any kind of Xbox Live. I feel like it steals a little bit of your soul. And Jesus Christ was not on Xbox Live, so why should I be? But I'm gonna be out there. So
you know what I'm saying?
So, yeah. Shout out to whoever has the Desus is Nice tag on Xbox Live.
Somebody got that?
Someone took it. They took Desus. They took Desus Nice.
What?
They took the real Desus Nice. Like all that shit is taken.
What?
Nah, niggas is using Desus tags everywhere. So if you see somebody posting some such shit, don't think it's me. It's not me.
It's not verified.
Right.
Xbox got to come out with verified gamer tags.
They don't have that?
Nope.
Oh, we need that. We need that because you know why? Co-representative of Red Bull.
That's right.
We're coming live from 220 West 18th Street. How good is that orange Red Bull right there?
Yo, delicious.
Delicious.
Refreshing.
Nutritious. Nutritious.
So good. I haven't even...
He, delicious.
Rub guava oil on your calves. Give me couscous, love it good.
Love you down.
Baby girl. That's my LL Cool J version. Remember when niggas had the one leg up like LL? Damn.
You mean bike messengers?
That was a terrible trend. Bike messengers started that trend, but for physical reasons. But LL was doing that shit just to be a wing.
Yeah, but he kind of stole that from bike messengers.
Yeah.
The thing about LL, like no one really ever stopped and really thought about like his fucking Flavor Year lyrics.
He didn't say anything.
She, blutitious, skeevy, delicious. Give me couscous, give me good. Damn, Hollis to Hollywood, but is he good? I guess like the jeans. Flavor like praline, sick daddy, nah mean. Papa love it when he does it, niggas buzz it. But tell me, was it really just a flavor that be clogging your ears? The most healthy behavior to stay in the clear. It's all for you. It's really all for you. Now what? Hunch black, close your eyes, try to munch that. Call up your ankles at your Tim's tap. Bite your flavor, it reacts to your gold caps. Word to mama, I tongue kiss a piranha, electrocute a barracuda, I'm here to bring the drama.
Yo,
he got a check for that.
He did. But he also said, let your Tims tap, like put your ankles up with your Tims. Like,
yeah, like yo, dog. What's going on Farmers Boulevard, hello? Are you really the future of the funk?
Future of the funk. I just imagine him smashing a shorty with Tims.
Backseat of my Jeep, let's film an episode. Milky, delicious cereal.
That's it. He just started the whole New York meme.
But you know the thing is, like, I feel like I've dated a girl from Queens and girls from Queens, they wear Tims.
They wear Tims. That's what I'm saying.
Who hasn't fucked a girl from Queens in Tims?
Facts, son.
Facts, son. Yo, my shit is wet, dog. Yo, my nigga, straight facts, bro. Pussy up, my nigga.
Yo, straight up, my shit is OD wet. It's a little loose. Don't jack that though. You know what I'm saying? But for real though, bust my shit wide, my nigga. For real though.
Yo, G check this pussy, my nigga. G check this shit, my nigga.
You feel me?
Yo, swipe that shit like a Metro card, my G.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, straight facts on that shit, nigga. Yo, ash the blunt on my cooch,
yo,
bitch.
son, yo, word is bond, yo. Bust my shit wide open, my nigga. Word
up.
Yo,
you wild pussy. Yo, put your face in that shit, my nigga.
Come on, son.
Yo, shit.
Come on, B.
Oh shit, goddamn nigga, you got me creaming this shit. Yo, damn nigga, damn, that shit is real, nigga. Oh word, you ever
it's like a fucking Lil Kim interlude and shit.
Like just give you dab after sex and shit, like yo,
to the Wild Gang handshake after.
Be like yo, fucking
word.
Trey Gang, nigga.
All
yo,
day.
you do that pussy up, nigga.
80 block,
nigga. Hit you on your butt, tell you roll a blunt.
Yeah,
hit you in your face with the wet rag.
Yeah,
shit.
Shout out to all the gang shout outs. Every week is some random hood is like, yo, shout out to Mero for shouting out that gang.
Shout out to Eastchester God the crew.
Let's do some random gang shout outs. Shout out to 80 block.
Shout out to Boston Secor.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Millie Fam out in Burnside. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to BMG. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Dub City.
Dub City.
Shout out to Echo Mob. You know what I'm saying? What's out there? Everybody's out here in the streets.
Are they out here in these streets? Are you condoning gang violence? Are you
I'm
gonna
not condoning gang violence.
Are you going to allow your kids?
I'm condoning community unity.
Are you going to come on? We're doing the Be Excellent Academy. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, you know what we should do? Just turn every gang into a team and do softball tournament.
Yeah, shout out to New Jack City. They're out there. Co-op City. You know what I mean? No, why we're still doing the BX Academy. Shout out to Shorty that did the logo.
Yo, shout out to you. Yeah. What's her at?
We're gonna
What's her at?
I'm gonna find it right now.
Yeah.
But we are going to definitely go a GoFundMe. We gotta get these book bags for the kids. We're gonna do 1,000 book bags for the little Bronx little nigglets.
You know what I'm saying?
And we're gonna have them back to school stuff with loose leaf.
That's
and
right.
Little gem stars.
It's true.
And we're gonna provide them what they need to go back to school.
A little box of Dutchess.
What else do kids need? You got kids.
Pencils. Food.
Do they still need reinforcements? Trapper keepers, is that still a thing?
Trapper keepers is mad lame. Yo, when they get into junior high though, that's when they start doing like real actual school shit for real. And then they start doing binders, and you got to get mad loose leaf. Yo, kids are expensive.
Okay,
you know what I'm saying
I don't have any. Thank God. Thank
but
the pull-out gods.
But it's cool though. But yeah, nah. So yeah, get some binders. Trapper keepers are lame though. Don't get your kid a trapper keeper.
So we shouldn't have that in the book bag.
Nah.
What else should we have in there?
Yankee fitted.
Yeah. A do-rag.
Do-rag. Gotta have a do-rag.
Condoms?
Like with the 2 or 3 NYC condoms.
Yeah.
For them to like blow up and throw around the classroom.
Like a little nickel
throw out
bag?
the teacher. A little tray bag.
Yeah.
You guys be
For
humble.
kids, yeah.
Have a nickel bag.
All right.
And a pair of Team Jordans.
No, the kids gotta get real. They gotta get real Jordans. We're not sending kids to school with Team Jordans. That's where gang violence starts. All right, we gotta do better for these little kids. Shorty that designed the logo. Her at name is @LikeJeans.
Shout out to you.
All right, be sure to check our page. She got the Be Excellent Academy logo there. We're not sending the kids with Team Jordan because this is the problem in the Bronx. The kids are not giving the proper tools.
What sneakers would you put in there?
I'm gonna give them a pair of the Grape 8s, or a pair of 11s, or a pair of possibly the Band 1s. Okay, because I want you to achieve excellent, and you have to go to school in the flyest clothes, so that way you don't have to worry about niggas roasting you, and that way you can just worry about your studies. So that's what Uncle Desus and Uncle Mero.
That's right.
And we're gonna have the Be Excellent Academy, and it's gonna come on Thursday nights at 8 on NBC.
That's right.
And it's gonna be great. And it's gonna go into syndication, and we're gonna make $1 trillion fucking dollars.
Wait.
And I'm going to live in Calabasas, and I'm not gonna care about you black people getting shot by cops.
Not at all.
And they're gonna be like, Jesus, how do you feel? And I'll be like, hey, you know what? Black lives matter, but also blue lives matter, and all lives matter. And guess what? I'm colorblind. I don't see anything. You could be purple, you could be green, you could be yellow, you could be red, whatever. We're all American, man. And I'm gonna lace up my Pharrell Human Race NMGs, and I'm gonna like power walk with Caitlyn Jenner.
That's right.
And we're gonna get some kale green tea.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Can't
if
wait.
we fucking do a drone shot of my house, you can see that my botany hedges spells all lives matter. You know what I'm saying?
Can't wait.
I'm
a troll D-Ray and Netta.
Have brunch with Glenn Beck.
You're gonna see me at the Yankee game with Rudy Giuliani,
with
Chris Christie.
We're not even offended with the stupid floppy dirty Woody Allen hat.
Dad cap.
Dirty Woody Allen hat.
They're gonna show me on the Jumbotron. We're gonna be like, boo! He sold out the Bronx. I'm like, fuck you.
Fuck you.
That's why you have asthma and a low birth rate. I hate you guys. Broken glass.
Doing commercials with J-Lo.
Buy a house in the Piano District, you bums. Then I murk out of Yankee Stadium with J-Lo.
In a Fiat. Yeah.
With cans dangling from the car that smell like, all lives matter.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
And she's hitting high notes, but not really hitting high notes.
Damn, can't wait to be rich.
Can't wait to be
Yo,
rich.
Woody
Turn
Allen?
my back on the community.
Community.
I'm gonna run off with the money for the BX Academy. I'm not. No one's getting book bags. I'm gonna spend that shit on a fucking grill.
Yo, I just realized that Woody Allen's hat looks just like him.
Yeah,
it's just like mad, old and decrepit,
and molestery.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Just like flat and weird.
Shout out to Woody Allen. Woody Allen woke up one day and was like, "I need a girlfriend," and he walked into the next room.
Yeah.
So
I need a girl that's my daughter.
I need a girl that's my daughter. Across the table. What they asked him to discuss it. He was like, I don't want to discuss it. Yeah, because that's white privilege. You can be like, no, I'm not discussing it.
I don't want to talk about it.
Whatever.
Problems with my wife, don't discuss them.
Was that Fat Joe?
Biggie.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Shout out to Biggie. Big baby.
Because of bust some problems with the wife, don't discuss them.
All right, we talked on everything.
Yeah,
it's about to wrap it up.
Yeah.
Let's just make sure. Check Twitter one last time. Make sure nothing breaking is happening.
Yeah.
Oh shit! It's going down.
What's going on?
Prince died. Gotcha. It's your boy, Yo Chipotle.
Take
Desus
us home,
Nice,
Purple
a.k.a. Pocket Safe Aliterio, Christas Porcelain Dick, Eli Lip B, a.k.a. Butchers Gully, a.k.a. Slow It Down Might Know Your Bitch, a.k.a. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take,
Whoa.
DJ Fuego,
Whoa.
Mr. Nando's with a Rando,
Whoa.
1994, Mikhail Gobinov, a.k.a. Mr. La Marina and Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. Your Problematic Babe.
Yo, it's your boy, the Kimmer, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Ben Smack the Yombo, aka Phil the Ass Tyson, you know what I'm saying? The Dominican Dada, East Tremont Stevie B, you know what I'm saying? Rico Sabroso, aka Curve Gotti, Baby Newport, you know what I'm saying? I don't talk to cops, you know what I'm saying? Parabrim, Free Poppy, you know what I'm saying? Everything's organic. Check the guest list twice, nigga, because I'm on it. It's on it. Holla at your boy.
Don't have a stand out here. Yo, also Free Wobbles. We out.
Yo, Free Wobbles, holla.